In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up email sequences in GoHighLevel so you can nurture leads automatically and close more deals. Step 1. Create your email template. Go to the Marketing tab, select Email and design professional messages with your logo, branding, and clear calls to action. Step 2. Build your sequence. Head to Automations, create a new workflow, and add each email with a time delay, like Day 1 welcome, Day 3 follow-up, and Day 7 offer reminder. Step 3. Choose your audience. Use tags or smart lists to make sure only the right contacts enter your sequence, whether they're new leads, clients, or past customers. Step 4. Add triggers. Set conditions like when a form is submitted or after a purchase to automatically start the sequence. Step 5. Track results. GoHighLevel's analytics will show open rates, click rates, and conversions so you can tweak subject lines and timing for the best results. And that's it. Email sequences in GoHighLevel will save you time, keep your leads warm, and help you close clients on autopilot. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.